Morning guys, welcome to the channel. Got a lot of exciting stuff going on today. You are tuned into Speed Street 704 and Tesla 365 right now. We are going to wind up getting the charger for the Tesla placed on the wall today. Got an electrician, he should be here any minute. Gonna pop that right in there. We'll be able to charge. I'm going to bring you two cold starts today. Cold start on the Stang because I need to move it over and I got to get the Z06 out of the garage so that this guy can do his thing. So without ado, I will set up the camera and get you guys a recording of the cold start. Pretty sure my neighbors hate me. And I got this camera jumping all over the place today. Pretty sure my neighbors hate me, but, you know, what are you going to do? The next cold start is going to come from the Z06. Because again, like I said, I'm not just cold starting these cars for no reason. I've got to get it out of here so that the electrician can work a little easier if I can find the key to this car. Aha. There it is. Stang sounds good. This sounds better. Pretty crazy. And that'll be it for the cold starts today, guys. A Z06 is mean. Mustang's mean. Z06 is meaner. Just is. So once the electrician gets here, we will come back and join you again, or you can join us again, I should say. Alright guys, so the electrician is gone now, and now I can actually express my excitement because I didn't want to have to pay him a fortune. 200 bucks to put this in, fantastic. He supplied me with the breakers and stuff, no problems at all. Alright, so there it is, right? That's the Tesla charger. It is the self-mounted, or whatever it is, mounted wall charger. It is fantastic. I'm going to be able to charge this car now overnight. If I get home 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, plug it in, I'm getting 35 miles per hour back on the battery. So if it's a 221, I think it is 220, is the normal range where you're driving. 221 miles is what you're allowed to put on the battery, unless you're going on a trip. Then you got to change the whole thing to trip. There goes the garbage man. Then you got to change the whole thing to trip. But right now, you know, daily driving, 221 miles, divide that by 35 miles an hour. I don't even know what that winds up being. 3 times 5 is what, 150? So 3 times, let's say it's going to take 7 hours. 7 times, yeah, 35. So 7 hours, it'll charge the battery from zero miles all the way back up to a full charge. And I'm never going to bring it down to 0 miles. It'll be in here every night charging. You know, that's just how I'm going to wind up doing it. The other thing is, if you look at any of the Tesla blogs, blogs, yeah, or the little websites that they got out there for the Tesla, they say leave the car plugged in, whether or not you're driving it or not. Leave it plugged in. There's updates that come through for this car all the time. The other day, An update came through. I had it hooked up to Wi-Fi. Update came through. And now I can put my heated seat on, my heated steering wheel on, and it remembers for the next time that I come in. It remembers what settings were there, what settings were used, and we, you know, that's something. And every day. I mean, I remember when I first had got it, it was 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, or 4.7 seconds maybe it was. With a simple update that Tesla winded up doing, car does 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds now. Smoking GTs, Mustang GTs. So if I raced that car right there, I'd beat it on the track. On an 1/8 of a mile track, not a 1/4 mile, because I'm pretty sure that would surpass me. Who the hell knows though? Maybe not. Because once I get moving, who knows? We'll see. But that's it, guys. This is going to wrap us up for today. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we're going to get a lot more videos going forward. We have also, I have registered, become an Uber driver with this car. I've got the GoPro Heroes, whatever the heck it is, the Hero 5, Hero 4. Gonna wind up having that in the car and record the reactions to the passengers. And I'm not really sure if I need to get licensed or anything like that, if I need to get approval before I go on with that, but we'll see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens. And all right, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching. It's Mike from Tesla 365, and we're out.